I was just calling to say that it had nothing to do with you. You didn't change. It was me. I changed. There was nothing you could have done to make me stay. There was nobody else. I left for myself. It's just that kind of unseated. One day, things didn't feel the same. I felt myself drifting away, and my feelings began to wane with each passing day, like a leaf that keeps dripping over time. I loved being slowly out of the night. I tried to make it work for weeks. I stayed longer than I should have. Before I knew it, there wasn't a single drop left in me that still wanted you and me. I was running on empty. No matter how much I could see you trying to refill the love in me, I'm sorry. It wasn't you. It was all me.